Today we are building a low budget cost for our chickens. The other one that you see there, we did a stone hole, but it was a bit costly. See here, this time we just want to have another option of just building a different one using the resources that are available. This zinc sheet that you see here, this is a second hand. We just bought it from someone in town. So these are the poles that we're using. We just got them from a school. We bought them some many years ago. They've been lying there idle. These are the old zincs. So we are just resuscitating from scrap, building our chicken coop, which is not that costly. So this is just the resources that we have on our disposal. So as you can see, we are busy.